Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about transcriptions. We're going to learn how to do them pretty quick. These are also, like subtitles, captions. Okay, that text that you see on the screen. If let's say you're watching a movie, that's in a different language, and you can actually read what they're saying in, English or whatever language that you speak. So that's what we're going to create today, and I'm going to show you a very easy way of doing it. I'm sure there is more, than one way to skin a cat, and I think, some ways are actually hectic. They're long and tiresome and all that. So I'm going to show you a very easy and quick way to do transcriptions. I do think it's important to create captions, transcriptions, because one, we have guys who are actually hard of hearing or deaf, okay, and having that text on screen actually helps them a lot understand what's happening, what people are saying and all that. You also have things to do with Google, the search engine optimization, SEO. So if you put that text on your videos and all that, the thing is Google won't watch your videos. So that text, if you attach it to your videos and all that, it will go through that, and help you, learn some potential, audience. Okay. Something else I think worth mentioning is we have guys who actually don't speak or don't understand that language. Maybe you're making a video in, so you can actually have transcriptions in different languages. So I do think it's important to learn how to do this thing, the easy way. So as you can see on my screen, we have this nice kitchen here. Maybe we have guys who are having a conversation here. So let's jump right in. How do I create captions for this audio that we have here? Okay, so one, let's come to the top here and click these two arrows, okay, and then go to text, and now we have this option here. We have transcribe sequence. Okay, click on that and it will give you this option. So I will hit transcribe. As you saw up there, there's an option for English, and if you click on it, you'll see what other options it has. Okay, so for this one, we just want to create something in in English. Okay, so give it a few seconds. It's figuring out what the audio is saying. I do hope for your sake you're not trying to transcribe something with some audio with a very thick accent. Just saying. So as you can see here, this is exactly what this audio is saying. Okay, sometimes Premiere might actually make a few mistakes in case some things are not clear. Let's say you say, the person is saying leaf, and it understands it's leave. We have a few things where, or leave, we have leave for leave successfully, we have leave this place, we have leave. I'm sure you're getting my point. So you can actually come here and do some corrections if it doesn't pick the right word. So for this one, this is the first step. So we have the text. So how do we transfer it to get to that point where we can actually see it on screen? So we come here to create captions and click on that. Now we have a few things that you can change here. For this one, you can do that. You can experiment and see if you like some of the options that you can actually get when you click on some of these things. But for this one, I'll just leave everything just the way it is here, except maybe change, let's make the characters a little bit less and hit a single line. Okay, and then hit create. So we give it a few options, a few seconds, and everything is ready. Now as you can see here on my screen, we have text. Okay, let's play it. So yes, we have text. Now I do know some guys want to go, you know, a step further and customize the text just a little bit. Things to do with, you know, font size, font color, you know, things like that. So how do you go about it? Select all your text. Okay. Now we have an option called Essential Graphics. Now, in case you can't see yours on screen, go to Window on top, click on it, and then go to Essential Graphics. Click on it, make sure it's ticked, and then, you know, it will come here or somewhere on your screen. Now, from there, you can actually choose the kind of font that you want. For this one, let's say Lucy said, okay, here it is. I don't like that one. It's let's try something a little bit different. Let's say this one. Okay, so we have changed the font. Let's change the font size. Let's put 80 and see, you know, we want it a little bit big. Okay, now I'm sure you guys can see it's happening. Now if I want it to be in the middle or top, if I come here and click, you know, the middle box, as you can see, the text comes to the middle. If I want it to be on top, the text will move to the top. Okay, so let's just leave it at the bottom. Now if you want to create an outline for the text, all you have to do, come and click this box here, appears the second box, and then choose the color of the outline. You can choose black, you can choose red, you know, whatever you're into. For this one, let me try let me choose black. Okay, and say okay. Now let me make sure the stroke is let's say 7. Okay, if you look at the text, it has a very dark outline outside. That helps it kind of stand out from the background, that, you know, whatever is happening in the video. You don't want your text to disappear into the video. Let's say you have a scene where, you know, a few things are overexposed and you're using white color for your captions. They will kind of disappear. But if they have this outline, they will kind of they will stand out. Okay, if it's just that, you know, I haven't seen many people using colors like red and yellow and green, you know, not very popular. Okay, you can come and change a few things here if you feel like, but for this one I do think it's okay. So if just let's confirm if everything is happening okay. I think it's good. Now in case we talked about sometimes Premiere won't pick the right word. So if, let's say, they were supposed to say something like let's go with this word, seemingly depressed. Let's say it was supposed to be impressed, and then because of the accent and all that, so it picked up depressed. All you have to do if you want to change it is come here to the word, double click on it, and then delete, and then type the word that you want you know, to stand in place. And now we have impressed. Okay, it's as easy as that. So for that one, I think it's done. If you have any other requests, just let me know and then we'll handle that. So for now, bye.